Today we're going to measure a hot tub cover. Now there's a form and a link on the bottom so you can print it off. So explain what a taper is and a radius and stuff. So do all the measurements. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure this radius. That's the radius. Okay. And then our length and width. Now if your cover is, say it's 84 inches by 84 inches, then your fold doesn't matter where it's going to go. But if it's an 84 by 90, you have to indicate on the form what your, like right here, it'll go right here, hang on, right here. So it's, say if it was 84 by 90, so A and B, so 84 is A, 90 is B. Now you have to indicate where you want your fold. Okay, so you just do the line if you want your fold there. Now if you want your fold there or you want it the other way, then do it that way. Okay. And same as with your straps and stuff like that. You can indicate your straps if you want straps. Well, it's pretty common if you're going to order it. It's pretty common just to have your handle in the middle. You don't have to indicate that stuff because they're going to automatically do it. Now if you don't want those little straps that hang off the sides here, you just tell them you don't want any straps. Okay, if you want, the normal thing is they're going to put a strap or a handle in the middle. Now if you want a handle here or a handle here or a handle here or a handle here, wherever you want your handles other than right here, because that's where they're going to put it, just indicate it that you want the handles in a different spot. Okay, now this form will help you out. You might have to, when you go online, you might have to use their form. You don't have to download this form or anything like that, but you can just write on a piece of paper, draw a picture or something like that. Okay, so I'm just going to draw a picture for you what our spas. So it's just something simple. Okay, yeah, it's not very good. Okay, so on this side, that's where they're gonna step in. So the steps are right there. There's a cover lifter here, so you don't have to worry about that. So we know the fold's gonna go right here. Okay, so the fold's there. So we're gonna measure this. We're gonna measure this, measure this, measure this. Then our radius, and then we'll do the taper. The taper is the hot tub cover. Say that's the bottom. It's the top of it. So if it rains, snow, so it has a little bit of a taper. Oh, this is terrible. So it has a little bit of a little bit of a taper, so the rain can come off. Okay. The normal taper is 4 to 3. So 4 inches to 3 inch. That's the normal one. You can get it thicker if you want. Don't get it thinner because you'll just end up breaking the foam that's in it. So let's measure the radius. So what you're going to need for this is a straight edge. Okay, so if you put a straight edge right on the side, you kind of see right where it turns. That's where you're going to start measuring. So it's good to have 2 people here. It's going to be hard to record. So you put this long straight edge, and right where it starts turning, you're going to measure from there. Yeah, this is going to be tough. Okay, then you put another ruler right here. Okay, and wherever they intersect. So okay, so we measured. That's how you try to do it. 2 straight edges on each side, and right where it starts going from straight to curve, you measure from there to that corner, and that's your radius. Okay. Okay, here. So right from the corner, So right where it turns. So I would say it's a 5-inch radius. So right where it starts turning to the corner, approximate corner. So we got a 5-inch radius. So 5-inch rad. Then we indicated where it is. And then just measure length to width. Width. Now if you have a side that like this, each spa is different. See how it's all flat? Now to measure anyway online, the tub has to be flat all the way around on the top. Now if you have a hump in there, like maybe a corner stereo, speaker, waterfall, then you're gonna have to get a hold of the manufacturer of that tub, because that's proprietary to them. So you couldn't get it online anywhere else except where this tub. So like say this is a hydro pool, so you would have to get a hold of a hydro pool, and you need the model number and everything else for the spa to get the proper hot tub cover for that. So a lot of companies do that, design it in a way that no one else can do that anyway. So here it's flat. A lot of them are flat and then it just goes straight down. This one has a little bit of a curve, so you're gonna have to try to measure from right across length and width. You want to measure right there, like on the edge, from that side, that side. It's good to have another person because they can put the measuring tape straight across and put it right about there. Okay, so measure right from the edge of the spa. Okay, so this one here is 84 by 84. Okay, now the skirt. Just put this down. The skirt is this flap right here. That's the skirt. Now, it's normally a 4-inch skirt. You can go shorter, you can go longer if you want. The longer one, sometimes when you put a cover lifter, it gets hung up on here. You just got to remember to keep on pulling these corners down all the time, especially if you're in cold weather, because it will stay like that down the road. So keep on pulling those down all the time when you get a new cover, because you'll end up getting hard, and that's how it is for forever. So keep on pulling it down. So there's your skirt. So it's whatever length you want to cover that. This one here is just to cover that. So the spa cover comes across here, and then whatever your skirt kind of hides the rest of that. So you just want to go just below that. So this is a 4-inch skirt. Okay, so we got our radius. We got our 84 by 84. We indicated where the fold's going to be, and then your taper. That's your taper. So it's normally 4 inches to 3 inches, so the rain can come off. And then your color. So your color, whatever your color is going to be. So if this video helped you out, subscribe, like the video. Any other comments, any other videos or anything like that, just put them in the comments. And I'm freaking cold, so I gotta go home. We'll see you on the next one.